Hello, my name is Julian King, and I will be introducing General Standards 2 and 6. As we move to General Standard 2, please turn to page 20 in your QM rubric workbook. As you turn to page 20, one thing you may notice is the alignment symbol for 2.1. Also pay attention to the definition at the top. So General Standard 2 focuses on learning objectives, competencies, where learning objectives describe what learners will be able to do upon completion of the course. One major aspect of General Standard 2 is that it has 5 specific review standards, and they are all essential. As you can imagine, General Standard 2 is the foundation of the QM rubric and a key standard when we focus on alignment. It is the only general standard in which all specific review standards are essential. It acknowledges that the use and the importance of measurable course learning objectives and module learning objectives. And we really want to focus on the word measurable. Focusing on Bloom's taxonomy, words such as understand, demonstrate are not measurable. We want to focus on words such as explain, create, apply. Also, these learning objectives are the first element of alignment. When you are building a course, the first major piece of that are those learning objectives, and that alignment has to be demonstrated throughout your activities, your assessments, your instructional materials, and even the course tools you use. This is that first step as we demonstrate and start to talk about alignment. And making sure that alignment, that all of these concepts and these core elements reinforce themselves throughout the entire course, and they work to promote learning for students. Now, we'll take a shift and discuss General Standard 6. Please turn to page 48 in your workbook. General Standard 6 focuses on course technology, and once again, you see that alignment symbol for 6.1, because all of these are focusing on that alignment like we just kind of discussed. General Standard 6 says that course technologies support learner achievement of course objectives. So we want to be very mindful that the course technologies we are using support learning. But we'll dive into that. So General Standard 6 has 4 specific review standards. 1 is essential, 1 is very important, and 2 are important. So we talk about the use of technology. And as we know, there are endless number of tools that you can use, but we want to make sure we're picking ones that are well suited for online delivery and maybe used in online and hybrid courses. As we understand, there's always going to be a new tool or a new technology that comes out that we find captivating, but make sure that the technology enhances learning, and it's not just a tool for the sake of using the tool. And that's what this standard focuses on, is that the online course and the technologies that is being used is supporting the online course and supporting those learning objectives. Make sure that the tools you are using, specifically because General Standard 6, make sure that the tools you are using have a clear purpose, that they promote active learning, and they exhibit a variety of tools while supporting the learning objectives. Lastly, General Standard 6 also wants to provide learners with information on protecting their data and privacy as it relates to the tools you are using within those courses. Thank you.